Hello guys, welcome to Vikram Tech Talk. Today we are going to unboxing and review the spiral cable protectors and wire protectors. Spring wire for all wired accessories for USB charger. Data cable, headphones, MacBook. Laptop elastic cord saver, multicolor. Features: versatile protection. Sound spiral cable charger protector and wire protectors spring wire set. Offers comprehensive protection for all your wired accessories, including USB chargers, data cables, headphones, MacBook cables, laptops, earphones, and even elastic cords. Prevents tangling and fraying. The spiral design of the cable protectors prevents tangling, knotting, and fraying of cables. This extends their lifespan and ensures durability, saving you the hassle and expense of constantly replacing damaged cables. Easy installation and adjustable fit. These wire protectors are easy to install and can be adjusted to fit cables of various sizes. They provide a secure grip, preventing cables from disconnecting or becoming loose, and allowing for a tidy and organized cable management setup. Organizes and reduces clutter. Say goodbye to cable mess and confusion. These wire protectors help organize your cables and reduce clutter, making it easier to identify and access the desired cable quickly. No more untangling or searching for the right cable. Elastic cord saver. The set includes elastic cord savers, which help prevent excessive stretching, wear, and tear of elastic cords. This feature extends the lifespan of your elastic cords, ensuring they remain functional and saving you the trouble of frequently replacing them. Review: I received this set of 24 spiral cable protectors today for just $99, which is honestly a great deal. Here's my experience so far. Looks: the colors are bright and fun. They instantly made my plain cables look more cheerful. Definitely adds a cute touch to otherwise boring chargers and earphones. Grip: the spiral wraps around snugly and doesn't slip off easily. Once you put it on, it stays in place well without needing constant adjustment.